Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a really cool unboxing video for you guys of an NZXT build kit. Basically, you know, we've been editing and creating a lot of videos, and I've been doing it on my MacBook Pro. It's no problem with editing and creating content and things of that nature on a MacBook Pro. The only problem is that my MacBook Pro only has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and I have a 2019 version. With that one, the motherboard is kind of, the RAM is built into the motherboard, so there's no way to replace it and change it like in some of the older models where you can upgrade your RAM and things of that nature. So what I thought I'd do is I'd get a PC, one that I could build, and you know, as time goes on, gradually upgrade and make changes. So got the NZXT build kit going for you guys today. Okay, boom. So these are all the pieces that you're gonna need for your build. I was gonna kind of end the video here, but you know, thought you guys might want to actually see the pieces a little bit, so I'll open some more stuff. Boom. Okay, boom. This is my, I just said it. Yeah, I'm not gonna open the RAM, CPU, or SSD right now because it says you need a static-free workstation, and I'm going to Google that before I open it just to know what I should and shouldn't do to make sure everything's okay. But yeah, we're not gonna open this right this second. Let's take a look at this motherboard. Am I right? Boom. What's it come with? So it comes with some cords and pieces, something that says Asus because I believe it's an Asus motherboard. And yeah, this thing that goes on the back of the PC, and then yeah, your 2 things to connect it. Check it out. Yep, we got the Asus motherboard right here. You can all see it. Yeah, it's in the plastic right now. I am not gonna take that out right this second. Yeah, you guys will see it all out in the actual build video when I'm building it. Oh, got my A10 cooler here. Kraken M22. Boom, got a little instruction manual guide thing here. Power supply units. yeah, we got it all in here. It's the NZXT power supply, and boom, you can kind of see this 3060 Ti, you know, yeah, kind of see that, and boom, this is just the CD disc or whatever I need for my Windows. And yeah, so basically that is the end of the unboxing video for you guys. Sure, you guys see in my description and thumbnail and title, you kind of see it's $2,000 build kit. It's not exactly $2,000. It's a little bit under. It's a great bargain. Great value for your dollar at this point. You can't really get a graphics card right now. Got a 3060 Ti. Altogether, I think the build kit was $1,600, and plus whatever additional fees and taxes or whatever came up to like 17 something. Yeah, just about that, I think. And yeah, great value because you can't really get a graphics card right now. I could probably sell this graphics card for maybe $800 or something like that right now, just that on its own, or maybe even more. I know more are coming out, but it's just really hard to find right now with the COVID and manufacturing and stuff like that. No issues, but same reason why people can't get PS5s and things of that nature. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video, my first unboxing video. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Let me know what you think, and maybe I'll do some more unboxing videos in the future. And yeah, check out the next video that I'm going to do. I will be doing me actually building this PC, so you guys can see kind of me going through the process, what it looks like for an amateur, see if you can do it as well. And then yeah, I'll catch you on the next video.